What's going on, guys? Have you ever logged into MyEtherWallet and a token that you know is supposed to be in there isn't showing up? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom token so that you won't run into this issue anymore.
All this work is love, reminding us why we do it. All this love is work, it hurts to give yourself to it. All this work is love.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be running you through how to add a custom token to MyEtherWallet. This should take only a couple of minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is go to myetherwallet.com, and we are going to click on Send Receive Tokens. We're going to log in with our private key. Now, I created a dummy account for this, so I would suggest that you guys don't give away this information. This is where all the power lies, the private key. In the future, you guys should pick up a Ledger or Trezor wallet. I'll put a link in the description below. That's going to be the safest way for you to access MyEtherWallet or to access any of your coins. I definitely recommend picking up a hardware wallet. But I digress. So let's get into this real quick. Now, hopefully by now you've hit show tokens and you scrolled down and you didn't find the coin that you're looking for, the token that you're looking for. In this case, it's prize. And it should, when you add a custom token, it will show up at the top, and you'll see that as we get into this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on etherscan.io. So you can see that there's 10 prize sitting in the account. So we're going to click on this. And all the information that you need to do the rest of this is all in this area right here. So we have the contract address right here. We have the token decimals right here. And we have basically the ticker symbol. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight the contract address. And we're going to go back here. We're going to scroll down. Excuse me. Add to. So we're going to add custom token. We're going to put in the contract address here. You're going to know it's a complete address when an icon like this shows up. Okay. Like if you don't have the last E in there or something, it's going to be blank and it's not going to work. And if you're sending or receiving, you need to make sure that it's a legitimate address. For now, we just need to know that it is a complete address. And we need to add the token symbol, which is PRYZ. And the decimals we know are 18. Okay? And we're going to hit save. And now at the very top of the list, we have prize. Now, if you click this negative sign, it will disappear and you'll have to run through it again. Okay? Now, if you wanted to send it out, you would type in the address. So we'll just put in our address. And say you want to send 10 of them out, it's not going to allow. It's not a legitimate transaction right now, but you would go up to gas, and because we're sending a small amount, I would generally say that you don't want to be paying very much in fees. So this is basically how you decide how fast the transaction gets pushed through the network. So I generally keep it on 50 and they go through fine, but if the network gets really congested and there's a lot of people buying and selling and sending, you might want to increase this, and it's going to increase your cost as well, but it will increase the speed at which the transaction goes through. Okay. And the gas limit down here is something to pay attention to. With different tokens, there will be different gas prices. So in this instance, you know, this transaction may cost like 40,000 gas, and it can go all the way up to 200,000 gas. No matter what it is, don't worry about it too much. It subtracts from your Ethereum balance that you have in the account. So that kind of pays for the transactions. Okay, now the second way that you do this is you go to ethplorer.io, and you can see in here all the transactions that have happened in the account, just like on the last page. And you can get all the information from here as well. Well, you need to click on prize, and you have the contract address, you have the balance in Ether, and you have the symbol right here, and you have the total decimals. So you have all the information actually right here. This is the contract address that you need, not this one, not owner. So it's going to be contract. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found the information useful. Consider hitting that like button or subscribe button if you want more videos in the future. And of course, if you know somebody that is asking you this question over and over, which has happened to me, and it's why I make these videos, send my video over to them, share it with them, and hopefully it will be able to help them out too. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Much love. Peace. Subscribe if you find the information useful. Ooh. Trying to record, people are yelling outside and shit, man. What?